Even with the best organisation, nuts and bolts tend to go walkabout sooner or later. Put an end to all that with a ToolPRO Magnetic Parts Tray. ToolPRO Magnetic Parts Trays can be found on the shelf in two different sizes, a large 29 by 27 cm or a smaller 24 by 14 cm tray. Each tray features a number of large magnets in the base, 2 magnets for the smaller tray and 4 magnets in the larger one. A rubber lining coats each magnet to protect work surfaces from damage. Just place the parts tray in a convenient position and toss your nuts, bolts, screws and smaller parts right in. They'll stick there until you need them, even if you flip the tray upside down. Screwdrivers, spanners and even that pesky 10mm socket won't go walkabout once it's placed in the tray. Grab a couple of different sizes and keep your parts, fasteners and tools where you want them with a ToolPRO Magnetic Parts Tray.